What's up, family? This is your boy Ivan Hall, the Credit King. When individuals or businesses cannot meet with their financial obligations, many make the assumption that the only solution is bankruptcy. That is not always the case though. If the right steps are taken from the beginning, you can keep yourself and your family out of financial trouble and away from bankruptcy. First off, start by educating your children. Many of us growing up weren't presented with the tools and knowledge to establish and maintain good credit and keep away from the scare of bankruptcy. Parents need to be honest with their children about finances. Teaching children that hard work, no matter the job, has its rewards, and if you spend on a budget, there will never be a fear of bankruptcy. Establishing a budget is also key in the prevention of bankruptcy. You cannot spend what you don't have. Many people today have multiple credit cards and are in essence spending money they don't actually have, plus more for interest. So much so that people are paying off credit cards with credit cards and causing a terrible chain reaction. Spend what you can afford, after the bills are paid. But you will want to make sure you have something socked away for an emergency. Something along the lines of $2,000 is a good base to have stored away for an emergency. It is another step to take to keep out of financial trouble. Probably the most important thing though is to watch your bank account. Don't get yourself into a situation where you are overdrawn. The fact is, more than a third of adults rely on their bank's overdraft to keep them going on a month-to-month basis. Such actions are ones that lead individuals on a path to bankruptcy.